Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring the Ufed license is active and the unit firmware is current. This prevents extraction failures. Once done, prepare the target device. Charge it above 50%, note or disable its passcode when possible, and enable USB debugging on Android to allow deeper access. Next, connect the device with a certified data cable to the Ufed hardware and open the Ufed software. You will immediately select the device profile and choose logical or physical extraction, so the tool loads correct drivers and plugins. You proceed by running a logical extraction first because it's fast and yields app-level data. This gives immediate results for calls, SMS, and many apps. If logical is insufficient, switch to physical or advanced extraction. Follow Ufed prompts for root, JTAG, or chip-off workflows, and only attempt these when you understand the risks. Make sure to monitor the extraction log and progress bar. Capture a full device image and compute hashes like MD5 or SHA1 to preserve integrity and chain of custody. You finish by reviewing artifacts inside Ufed Physical Analyzer and generating a consolidated report that includes timelines and key artifacts. Export in PDF, XML, or CSV for review. Make sure to verify that the computed hash matches the original image hash so evidence integrity is maintained. Then document storage and chain of custody. If extraction fails, first try a different certified cable and reboot both devices. If problems persist, update drivers and firmware, check Ufed error codes, and only escalate to hardware methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.